Wow! Geekers, this is not a house. This is just a condo. And look how spacious and big it is, and we're only at the kitchen area. So if you want to have this unit, you can have your own one-bedroom retirement unit only here in Zadia, Greenfield, Santa Rosa, Laguna. Hi guys, this is me again, Jair Mamaklay, your property geek, and we are here again in Zadia, Greenfield, Santa Rosa, Laguna, the best-selling and most accessible condominium here in the area of Santa Rosa. So we are here, actually, this unit is for rent. But as you can see, this is very premium. This is a combined or one-bedroom unit of Zadia at magkakaroon kayo ng idea sa mga nakapag-invest dito sa area or planning to invest. Kasi alam natin na marami sa atin na nagpa-plan to retire here in the Philippines. And hindi masama na condominium ang gawin nating retirement property instead of lot or house and lot. Alam natin, may advantages talaga ang pagkuha ng condo, most especially if couple lang naman kayo, hindi kayo marami, because safety, check na check yan, security, amenities, and accessibility to your major needs. Condo ang makakapagbigay. And of course, ayaw naman natin na nagre-retire tayo and talagang sobrang stressful when it comes to maintaining the property or yung unit natin in the area. Kasi kapag meron tayong retirement property, may wear and tear yan. Pero kapag less lang yung i-maintain natin, kahit napupunta tayo, like for example, balik lang kayo for every 6 months sa United States, sa Canada or Australia, you have nothing to worry about. And this property or this unit is very perfect example, no? It is a very perfect example para makita nyo kung paano nila pinaganda, how spacious it is, and it doesn't feel like you're living in a condo. So let's have a property tour. As I have said earlier, this is a combined or one-bedroom unit here in Zadia. We're in Tower 2, and nakita nyo kanina pumasok ako sa pinaka-main door. So isa lang po yung door, kahit combined sila, wala na pang door sa katabing unit kasi naging bedroom na yon, and mamaya pupuntahan natin siya, no? Yung one-bedroom. So as we enter the unit, on our right is the kitchen area. Actually, on our left also. So very spacious siya, at nagkaroon pa ng parang, I don't know, what do we call this? Because this is not a kitchen island. I think it's a mini kitchen peninsula. So, ang daming cabinetry. Nakita nyo on this side, sa likod natin, and this one. And ang gusto ko dito sa ganitong type of cabinetry, marami kang malalagay, not just your kitchen utensils, and of course, nandito na rin yung shoe boxes natin or yung shoe area natin, yung kung anong kailangan nating ilagay, no, makikip natin kahit yung mga storage panglinis natin ng condo. And look at this one. This is a very premium finish. Hindi ko to nakikita usually sa mga condo kasi ang nakikita lang natin yung simple microwave oven lang. Pero nakagawa sila ng ganitong type of oven na built-in, parang nasa bahay. And look at this one. If you have it rented, it's not just like the mini fridge kahit nasa condo ka kasi ang ganda ng naging size. Look at this one. It's not your regular size na refrigerator na kahit sabihin mo, Jaire, dapat 'di ba maliliit lang yung mga ilalagay mong appliances para spacious yung itsura. But look at this one. Talagang spacious yung naging itsura niya kahit na malalaki yung naging appliances. And buksan lang natin to ng konti, no, para makita nyo lang kung ano yung mga pwede nyong ilagay. So, ang ganda ng cabinetry. This is also premium. Soft close siya. And at the same time, nandito yung kitchen natin. And of course, our induction cooker. And we also have mga cabinets din dito sa baba. So, lagayan ng ziplocs, lagayan ng ating mga kitchenwares, and of course, dito naman, ang ginawa nila dito sa mini peninsula, please correct me on the comment section kung tama, no, na peninsula ba yung tawag here, naging pantry. And it doesn't feel like sobrang crowded kasi nga, ang daming cabinet, spacious siya, ang luwang-luwang, natutuwa lang ako. So, dito naman sa area nito, let's have a look sa living area. So, coming from the kitchen, eto na yung living area natin. Dahil nga, combined ito, itong door na to, ito actually yung door going to the one bedroom or to another unit. So, as you can see in the living area, ang spacious niya, and then nandito yung balcony. And of course, pagpasok natin mamaya, dahil nga 2 adjacent studio units to, we also have our own balcony. So, 2 balconies. So, more or less, this is 49.8 square meters because the standard size of the unit here in Zadia, if we will just buy studio unit, is at 24.9 square meters. So, we combine it, parang townhouse ang area. Almost 50 square meters. So, what I like naman dito sa living area, let's take a look at this side. So, talagang ginawa nila, minount nila sa wall yung television. And it's very smart, lalo na kapag nandito tayo sa condo or we're really targeting na talagang maging spacious siya, no? Dapat lahat nasa gilid, nasa side, but it doesn't feel like parang, alam mo yun, kahit marami kang naging design, parang hindi siya yung, may iba kasi ako nakita na parang nagiging masikip. But dito parang well-planned, smart, no? Iba rin talaga yung nagagawa kapag very smart yung naging interior mo. And of course, meron na naman siyang storage here, no? And then, at the same time, hindi lang ito 2-seater sofa yung nalagay kasi we also have this chair and we have this accent, no? The plant, no? Na talagang hindi mo talaga ma-feel na nasa condominium ka. And actually here, I also want to highlight this one. So, nagkaroon pa ng ganitong design or accent, no? Kapag nakaupo ka dito sa living room mo. So, yeah, this is very spacious and look at this view. This is at the 16th floor of the Tower 2 of Zadia. So, kapag lumabas tayo here, we're just walking distance or few steps away. Yon yung itatayong Starbucks, nandun lang yung All Home, and then nandito si Paseo de Santa Rosa and the Medical City South Luzon. So pinapakita namin ngayon, top view drone shot, kung gaano ka accessible lahat. And yun talaga yung gusto ko, no, when it comes to living in a condominium, because condo projects are placed that is really accessible to all your needs. Kapag may emergency, you have nothing to worry about. You want to eat outside, nandyan lang yung commercial area, few steps away from your unit. Before we continue the tour dun sa unit, I just want to highlight how is the master plan community of Zadia. So as you can see, we are on the main entrance gate. It's like a subdivision. Hindi ito yung katulad ng mga usual condo na yung entrance is yung mismong lobby na per building. But here, we have our entrance gate for our first filter para sa security sa mga pumapasok. And then second one, yung 5 buildings kapag natapos na, meron silang sari-sariling security and meron silang sari-sariling reception and mail room. And para talagang nasa subdivision yung loob. Dahil nga 85% of the whole master plan community are dedicated for open spaces, we have our very own, very proud ako sa magiging itsura ng clubhouse in the future. Ang ganda-ganda niya para talagang amenity sa loob ng isang high-end subdivision. At the same time, we have basketball court, tennis court, and jogging path. So imagine, it really doesn't feel like living in a condo. And if you are the type of buyer that you really want to make use of your investment na talagang magma-market value appreciate siya in the future, hindi mo siya ipi-personal use or magiging retirement property, do not worry. As I have said, kaya dito ako kumuha, this is still the most affordable and yet the most accessible to all our major needs. So as you can see on this vacant lot, sa pinakatapat mismo ng Zadia, sabi ng management sa akin, ito ay parang magiging South Park or High Street, no, ng BGC. So if familiar kayo sa High Street ng BGC, sa baba niya, puro alfresco. Nandun yung commercial area. And merong Serendra sa taas. So technically, magbubukas ng bagong condominium project yung Greenfield Development Corporation with alfresco, pero hindi na siya gated. So Zadia is getting that benefit. Imagine, gated yung community mo, at the same time, tapat mo lang lang mismo yung magiging commercial development with high-end condominium also. And at the same time, malapit ka lang talaga sa Paseo de Santa Rosa. So that's it. Gusto ko lang i-highlight sa inyo na talagang it's not just mismong unit or mismong project yung maganda, but also its location. Kasi nga, sabi nga nila, it's a matter of location, location, location. And i-check na natin yung one bedroom at magugulat kayo kung gaano pinlano at gaano kalaki yung toilet and bath for this unit. Oh wow! Very spacious, and ngayon lang ako nakakita na ang ginamit na bed sa isang condo is a king size bed. It doesn't feel claustrophobic pa rin, no? Talagang ang luwang pa din, and meron ka ulit na 65 to 70 inches na TV, just like what we have on the living area. Very smart layout. And sabi ko nga sa inyo kanina, we have our own balcony for our one bedroom. So, isipin nyo, eto na agad yung The Medical City South Luzon. So, kung nakikita nyo ngayon sa balcony, I think, no, nakikita naman siya, nandito na yung The Medical City South Luzon. So, I just also want to highlight this. This is the cabinetry. So, closet mo. Hindi ka talaga mauubusan, no, ng storage. Kasi napakadami mong storage from the living, kitchen area, up until dito sa bedroom. Talagang sobrang dami mong mapaglalagyan ng mga quote-unquote, kalat ba yun? No? Pero hindi, yung mga belongings mo, no? And now, let's check the toilet and bath. So, nandito lang siya, no? Nandito siya sa loob ng master's bedroom or ng bedroom area. Look at this one. Pagpasok natin, we have this premium toilet na ginamit nila, and then, gumamit sila ng washer and dryer, no? Kasya siya, and at the same time, meron kang ano dito, nandito yung ano niya, para hindi nga naman kita, no? Nandito yung para sa heater ng water, so nakatago siya. Pwede mo ring paglagyan ng mga ginagamit mo for laundry, like your liquid detergent. And I think this one, sampayan siya ng mga wet towels, and it's automatic. Nag-heat siya para mag-dry siya ng mabilis. Wow, very smart. And this is not your usual shower area. Tignan nyo. Premium din yung ginamit, no? Dito sa glass, nag-retain yung accent niya, no, or yung design or yung interior design ng pinaka-unit. Ayan, and then very closed siya, no? And tignan nyo tong floor, talagang para akong nasa hotel area. Hindi siya yung usual na, ano bang tawag doon, Gio, no? Yung talagang nagde-drain ng water. So, talagang ginawa nilang premium lahat. So, this is the 1/2 part of the toilet and bath. And look at this part ng toilet and bath. We have his and her lavatory. Who would have thought with this condo unit, makakagawa sila ng ganitong layout para sa toilet and bath nila. Again, full cabinetry na naman. Hindi talaga kayo mawawalan ng mga storage dito sa area na to. Kaya ang linis-linis tignan. At ngayon ko na-realize kung ano ba yung mga pwedeng advantages, no, ng condo when it comes to spending. Kasi kapag bumili ka ng lote, may house construction cost pa yan. And we know that lots here in the area is at 55,000 pesos per square meter on the average. Lote pa lang po yan. Meron pa tayong house construction cost, or kapag bumili tayo ng house and lot package, of course, ganyan na rin yung presyo. Yung mga house and lot natin dito is at around nasa ano na eh, mga 39 million yung pinakamura, yung pinaka-basic na hindi ganito yung finish, mga nasa 13 to 15 million. Pero ito, bili ka ng unit mo, 10.5 million. I think yung ganitong finishing, kasama na yung furnitures and fixtures, nasa around 1.5 to 2 million pesos. Tipid ka pa rin. Pero, you're living na with this type of finish, very high-end finish, and at the same time, pinaka-sentro ka, and you don't need, no, na mag-spend ka ng mga around 50 million pesos para lang tumira ka sa suburban community dito sa Metro Santa Rosa. So, this one-bedroom condo in Zadia is your perfect option. And there you have it. I hope nakapagbigay ako ng idea kung ano yung pwede nyong gawing retirement property aside from buying a lot, building a house or a house and lot, lalo na kapag nag-iisip kayo na less maintenance, Jaire, we want na very accessible sa hospitals, this is the perfect place for you. So, ito yung pwede nyong gawin na sino nga bang mag-aakala na pwede naman palang tumira sa condo without feeling na parang hindi siya spacious. Kasi ito talaga yung nagagawa ng combined for a 49.8 square meters in total. So, ito, may promo ngayon si Zadia at around 10.5 million pesos only, including the other charges or miscellaneous fees, and on its pre-selling sa Tower 4. So you don't have to pay a spot down payment. Nakaspread po for 25 months yung ating 10% down payment for only 35,700 pesos per month, and after the 25 months, yung matitira pong balanse na 9.5 million pesos, we can loan it through bank or pay it in cash. Pero dahil napakatagal ng ating down payment stage for around 2 years, yung ginawa ko po sa property ko noon or sa unit ko dito, on top of my fixed monthly down payment na for example, yung 35,000 pesos 700, I am paying in advance from time to time, anytime or any amount we can, or kahit sa dulo mag-balloon payment tayo. Kasi during the down payment stage, it's a 0% interest, lahat napupunta sa principal amount. So, we can buy the property without paying any interest and without loaning it through bank. So, napakaganda po ng term. We're not just buying the unit, but we're also buying time. That is the beauty of pre-selling. But if gusto niyo lang naman, Jair, gusto ko lang studio, ipaparenta ko lang, and ayoko naman na ipag-combine, or kahit dalawang unit na magkatabi pero hindi siya ipag-combine, ang ating studio unit po dito is at around 5.4 million pesos as of the moment. The lowest monthly down payment for 25 months would be at around only 17,000 pesos per month, and after 25 months, yung matitira na balanse ulit na around 90% of the total contract price, loan it through bank, pay it in cash, or mag-advance payment ulit from time to time. So, napakadaming pwedeng gawin, very flexible kapag ang pinili natin pre-selling, lalo na kapag wala naman kayong urgency to occupy the unit. So, wag tayong maglagay ng malaking chunk of money na natutulog lang. Marami tayong pwedeng gawin, i-appreciate natin and i-take natin yung opportunity na may mga ganitong pre-selling na kahit nagbabayad lang tayong monthly ng paunti-unti, kahit hindi natin siya pinay in cash or hindi tayo naglagay ng malaking chunk of money, nakikita natin na nagma-market value appreciate siya over time. Gaano kaganda yon kaysa natutulog lang yung pera natin sa ating mga bangko. So if you are ready to acquire a studio or one bedroom unit here in Zadia, or Jaire, gusto rin namin i-feel yung Zadia living, pwedeng-pwede nyo po i-rent itong place na to. This very premium place. So, kung ano man po yung gusto nyo ngayon at kung gusto nyo nang mag-invest, just feel free to contact me through my local mobile number, iMessage, Viber, WhatsApp account, that is +63927 185-1590. Again, that is +63927 185-1590. Or you can also email me using my business email, that is thepropertygeekph@gmail.com. I am also contributing twice a month at the Manila Bulletin Property Living section. And good news, dahil yung mga nakakapanood dito ngayon na talagang tinatapos yung video ko, I have a promo now. So, if you don't have any plans na mag-acquire pa ng any properties here in Metro Santa Rosa, Laguna, I am offering a site tour dito sa area. Hindi ko lang kayo iikot sa iisang property lang, pero from Nuvali, Greenfield, sa schools, iikutin natin lahat yan. At ako po ang magdadrive at magpe-personal na magtutour sa inyo for only 2,500 pesos. And if you reserve or if you acquire a unit and you didn't cancel it, i-refund po yung 2,500 pesos. So, you have the option. Kung gusto nyong maikot muna, you just pay for that amount of money and it's refundable kapag kumuha kayo ng property dito sa area. So, I hope po, mas nakakapag-give ako ng value. I'm very excited na ma-meet kayo, ma-personally trip kayo dito sa area. Again, I am Jaire Mamaklay, your property geek, always inviting you to come home to the beautiful island of the Philippines.